How to grow hair on a bald head naturally. Yoga for baldness treatment. People who are affected by the loss of hair will understand how distressing it can be to notice a receding hairline. Loss of one's hair can have a huge impact on a person's mental and emotional well-being, affecting self-confidence, self-esteem, as well as making people awkward and extremely self-conscious. First off, hair loss can start for any reason and can be a symptom of anemia or other health-related ailments. For most people, hair loss can be a result of aging or hereditary genetics. However, in such a circumstance where hair loss is rapid and has nothing to do with aging or heredity, it is best to see your doctor. There are many ways that you can grow hair naturally. Increasing the intake of vitamins in your diet can support hair growth. Vitamin B helps to improve blood circulation. This increases the number of nutrients and oxygen going to the follicles. Healthy and vitamin-rich nutrients can help strengthen the hair and protect it against breaking and dryness. Vitamin E also has antioxidants that stimulate hair growth. Increasing your intake of vitamin E will help with the growth of hair on a bald head if loss of hair was due to lack of nutrition. Yoga for baldness treatment. The condition of your hair is closely linked to your overall general health. Causes of hair loss include high stress levels, diseases, drugs, and smoking. Yoga and meditation in some circumstances will not only prevent and slow down hair loss, but will also benefit your whole body. There are many yoga asanas which can improve well-being and overall health, thereby preventing the loss of hair. 1. Adho Mukha Savasana. This is a pose where you support your body on your hands and knees, known as the downward dog pose. It promotes good circulation to the head and helps battle mental tiredness, depression, and anxiety. 2. Pavanmukthasana. The Pavanmukthasana enhances blood circulation in the hip joints and eases tension throughout the body. To complete this pose, lie on your back with your feet together and arms beside your body. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, bring your right knee into your chest and press your thighs into your abdomen. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, lift your head and chest off the floor and touch your chin off your right knee. Hold the pose there, and then repeat with the other leg. 3. Sarvangasana. This pose helps to nourish the thyroid gland. This results in healthy function of the respiratory and nervous system. Lie flat on the ground with your legs together. Place your hands just about the hips and lift your lower body close to your chest. Extend your legs, keeping your entire body in a straight line, with your hands supporting your lower back. Hold this position for 10 seconds and return to the floor. These yoga poses are a holistic approach to baldness and have worked for many and could work for you. If your loss of hair or baldness is a result of illness or lack of nutrition, these yoga routines may help. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.